Welcome to another delicious video from Sham's Kitchen Delicious Foods. Today I'll show you how to cook a lamb curry at home. Let's begin by chopping some onion, but no tears. Next you'll need 50 ml of cooking oil to fry stuff. And to ginger it up, make some mixed paste of ginger and garlic. 4 to 5 tablespoons should be enough. Then you'll need 6 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, some colorful spices, chop some fresh tomatoes, 1 is fine, and 1 cup of red and green peppers. Cut half a lemon, I will tell you later why, and some green chilies to make it spicy. And finally 1 kilogram of lamb. Turn on the stove at high heat, pour the ingredients starting from oil and onion. Once it's golden brown, add ginger and garlic paste and the spices. Mix it properly. Now add the lamb and give it a nice stir. Adding some lemon juice, that's why we needed the lemon. Cover it up with a lid and now pay attention. So you need to cook at high heat until you think the meat is frying and it looks kinda cooked. Fry the meat for a couple of minutes and add 1.5 liters of hot water. And cook at high heat for 15 more minutes. After 15 minutes, lower the heat to medium and add your tomatoes, peppers, chilies, and yogurt. Attention back please. Now, cook at a medium heat for 10 minutes to blend the ingredients. After 10 minutes, here's your final step. Bring the heat to low and cook until you think it looks gravy. And also, don't forget to check the salt, and if it's needed, add some extra salt. If not, please don't make it salty. How can you enjoy your lamb curry? Well, with some white basmati rice. Keep it simple but tasty. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and note down as usual. Bye! Oh, and see you on the next one.